Hello, this is Micah with Team Free Labor presenting our final video presentation. We'll start with Michael Keller.
This is Michael Keller for Sprint 5. Here are a list of the major achievements that I accomplished while working on this project. As you can see, most of them have to do with the calendar and appointment selection for both the advisor and the student. Now, I try to make the appointment selection extremely simple for the student. They're limited to only being able to select a 10-minute appointment slot on their calendar. They do have the option, however, of being able to switch appointments, cancel an appointment. For the advisor, they have the options of creating a block of time. The advisor will be able to set the start and end time on a date. They can go back later and add or take away time from that block if they need to. And one of the things that the advisor won't have to worry about is emailing the students if an appointment does get canceled. If the advisor decides to delete an entire block or to take away time from a block. That way the student will be notified and the advisor doesn't have to worry about it. It is taken care of. As an administrator, if you log in, you'll be able to go into the appointment page. Here you'll be able to see just your appointments. You'll be able to edit them. You can change the times, increase or decrease, and it'll automatically take away or add more appointments. You can create a new one. And one of the features is that the advisor will only have to worry about this one block at a time. As you can see, if we log in as a student, you'll be able to go and see the appointments that the advisor had made. Now, if you go in as a student and select one of these appointments, after you confirm that's the one you want, it will display here on your profile page. You can cancel out of the appointment now if you decide you'll be able to not be able to keep it, but you can see that if the advisor decides that they can't do any of those times, they can delete the whole thing. We'll go back and refresh in the student. You'll notice that the entire block is removed. But also, as a student, you'll be able to pick a time, but if the advisor deletes that time, the student will automatically be notified. It will show up on their status that they'll have to pick a new one, but they'll get an email as well showing that the appointment that they had selected has been canceled and that they're going to have to reschedule that time.
Hello, this is Anthony LaBelle with Team Free Labor, and I'll be going over my major achievements for a student advisement system project. For my first major achievement, I designed the entire email system that we use to send emails to students for various purposes. One of the easiest ways to show this is to show my email, my current email. There are no messages from Team Free Labor in my inbox. Now I'll go ahead and sign up for an account. I have all my info already entered at alabelleuco.edu. Go ahead and sign up. Takes you to the code verification page automatically, and you will see that I did just receive an email on the timestamp here, same time. This email gives you a code right here that you can enter in on the next page. For my second major achievement, I designed the picture storage and retrieval system. Now all users, when they first create an account, they do not have a profile picture. You can see that here with the account that I just created previously. There's no profile picture. In order to set one, We can go to the settings tab where we would change information, or we can upload a profile picture. So let's go to any of these PNG files that I have, upload the file. Okay, uploaded successfully. We can go ahead and save that. And now our picture is here. Another way to show where our profile picture is used is on the advisor side. This is the advisor side. We have appointments here. None of these students have uploaded profile pictures, so that is blank. But you can see on the next page, we have the Anthony LaBelle with the picture that I uploaded just a second ago. So there's another place where we use the picture storage and retrieval. And it is all done in the database. And for my third and final major achievement, I designed the panel grid. This panel grid is referring to the grid that I just showed you a second ago. It's the one the advisor uses. Basically, we wanted this for a quick way for advisors to see all the appointments they have. So right when they log in on their profile page, this grid will be displayed with all of their appointments, and there's pagination and things like that. So you can see a little bit of the info. You can see their profile picture if they have one, their first and last name. You could see the time of the appointment, and you can also see the date of the appointment. And that's going to be it for me. Thank you so much for watching.
Hello, this is Micah with my major contributions to our project. My first major contribution was the login and logout functionality. My second was the registration of new users. This included checking the database to ensure the user doesn't already exist, and validation of the user information entered, and inserting the new user into a temporary table in the database. I also worked on the validation page, which is used for new users to confirm their email address. This included working on code for validation and moving a user's data from a temp table into the database to a permanent user table once they confirmed. I also worked on the 403 and 404 errors. And finally, I worked on the overall UI of a majority of the pages. So I'm just going to do a brief demo of all the pages that have the just constant UI. Here we are on the login page. Error page shows. Registration page also shows. Has the same look and feel. Here we are on the registration page. Same look and feel. And here we are on the settings page again, same look and feel. And the logout page also has the same look and feel. This has been the final video presentation for Team Free Labor. Thank you so much for watching.